Hey, Shane, Flight Springs Ranch. Well, it's been a year, and what a year it's been.
Welcome to the Suburban DIY YouTube channel. This is episode 14 of the Flight Springs Ranch. Check out the Flight Springs Ranch playlist. The link is in the description below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and write a comment. It helps us to continue to produce this type of content. And if you haven't done so already, consider subscribing so we can see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.
Good morning. It is October. It's really early in the morning. The summer is finally over. I'm heading out to see my buddy Shane at the Flight Springs Ranch. See you there.
Heading out to the Flight Springs Ranch. It's been about 6, maybe 7 weeks since we've seen Shane. We'll see if we can do some quick updates. Need to pick up a dirt bike and do some other things.
Yeah, we started building 3 houses and we're pretty close to moving in.
This is our rose garden, and we had beautiful roses, but the soil is so compact, it's like concrete, that it flooded, killed the plants, haven for mosquitoes. To help us on this job, I picked up this awesome, massive, powerful jackhammer from our good friend Shane at the Flight Springs Ranch. I'm pretty sure this should do the job. Let's get into it.
Meet you as well. Yeah.
How you boys doing? You working it out?
It's been a year since we last published a video on Flight Springs Ranch, and a lot has changed. More specifically is that Shane has built 3 houses, and they're super close, dangerously close to finishing them and moving in. I'm at the Flight Springs Ranch bar, the outdoor desert bar, and this also has evolved. And it started with there was a wedding that was hosted here, and Shane had put together a bar for the wedding. Well, we had all the components, and so when the wedding was over, he just moved them out here into the desert. And of course, it's evolved. The bar's gotten bigger. They've added barbecues. We've got refrigerators and power and lights, and it's becoming this gathering place over time. So it's a real big focal point of the property and a tremendous amount of fun.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up or write a comment below. And if you want to see more videos on the Flight Springs Ranch, check out the Flight Springs Ranch playlist. Thanks for watching.